Hey guys, Ricardo here and welcome to another blog tech tips. In today's tutorial guys, I'll show you to install WhatsApp, and of course I have WhatsApp already installed on my iPhone 17 Pro Max, but I'm going to place it on my Apple Watch. This is a Series 10, still applies to the Series 11 or any other newer devices, alright? So of course if you want to do that, remember that you can manage apps from your watch, or you can actually go into the watch app on your phone, alright? So in terms of the app itself, you're going to go to your watch, and of course as you can see here, I'm going to unlock. Now that I've unlocked guys, I'm going to go to the App Store. So the App Store is right here in blue. Go ahead and tap, and you're going to search. So search can be found right here, so you'll see the search icon. Go ahead and tap. I already have it installed by the way, so I'm just showing you what to do. So here type in WhatsApp. So here we go. So I'm going to type in WhatsApp. Sorry about that. WhatsApp. All right, so I'm going to search, and it's going to search through the database. Now I said it, as I said, I have it already. So what I'm going to do is hit get, or you can tap for more information to load up the information. You can actually read it. So you see that it actually is on the device. You can read through just like if you're on your phone. All right, you'll see get for you. Mine is already there, so hit get. Once you hit get guys, you can go back to the app tray by pressing the crown, and it should appear at the end of the list. So there it is, WhatsApp, once it's installed. All right, so from here I can actually go ahead and open it, or I can go into the section here and it will see WhatsApp. All right, so it's shown as an install app, and it says show apps on watch, meaning it will send notifications to the watch. All right, so we can go ahead and launch. So you can go ahead and launch. All right, so once it launches, it will show all of your messages, and they'll show up on your watch. All right, so do hope that was useful in terms of your device and getting WhatsApp on your watch. All right, so that's how to get it on your watch. So see you in the next one guys. Bye.